political parties are the ones that endorse candidates to go to parliament. Remember, a member of the opposition had even moved a motion on the floor of parliament that the all party whips and the leader of opposition to be voted from the house. I remember the Honorable Segona, in the last parliament, in the 10th parliament, he had moved the motion that they should be voting the law from on the floor of parliament. For me, that's a total disconnect of a multi-party dispensation. Now, the parties are asked to nominate candidates either for party whips and designate these positions. But the parties have no say in the middle when they feel that that person either needs to change and that either that person needs to be deployed. The parties have no way, and during the appointment they will ask the party to nominate. To do any change, they say you have no role. Remember, way back, even when FDC wanted to remove the Honorable Cecily Ogwara and then the Honorable Katutu and be replaced by the Honorable Munyagwa, you know the battle that the battle did not start today. When FDC wanted to change, you saw recently when the FDC still wanted to change the Honorable SENYONYI, you saw the battle that was in the house. You know? So what are we trying to say? That the leader of opposition can mobilize all of us to have proposals on how we can change. The leader of opposition sits on the business committee of the house. The leader of opposition is one of the leaders within the house. Instead of press conference, what they would do is go to the floor of parliament and make proposals for the amendment of the rules of the house. Because the rules of procedures, as a member of parliament, you're given two instruments. You're given the constitution and the rules of procedure. So whatever we are trying to do, I feel for no. Because the party that delegated you has mandate to redesignate you. But the rules do not allow. What we do is, instead of battle of the brass and who is greater between the water and the brass, is to go and deal with the rules. For me, that is going to be a solution. I feel that tomorrow it will be DP who will want to change our whip, and they say you can't change the whip. So these challenges of supremacy have been there. As DP, we suffered it. When Ben Tuanuka lost presidency, Basil Batalingaya became the whip in the house. So Basil Batalingaya thought he was more important and more powerful than the leader of the party. So you saw the battles. And as DP, when we speak about these issues, we speak with experience. We speak with history. And for me, I think it's a matter of us. You can even ask for a referendum. If you think we cannot get this, ask for a referendum. But for me, for now, is to work together with all parties, either under through the IPOD processes or the National Consultative Forum, where you also need NRM, because NRM tomorrow will be in the opposition. We saw Kano. Kano was the leading party. Today Kano is struggling to even have 3 members of parliament. So for me, it's about how do we use our strength that we have now, make sure that that parliament is a functional parliament. Otherwise, the hands of the speaker now are tied. As the leader of the commission, their hands are tied, because when you appoint, what will the speaker look at is the rules. What do the rules say? So the other cardinal duty, if the Honorable Mpuuga loves his party, is upon him now. If you still think you have mandate of the party, you have the support of your party has said you want to withdraw, and they have written to withdraw. So now, it is hands around the hands of the individual of the Honorable Mpuuga. Will he follow the resolution of his party, or what is then? It will be questioned on where is your allegiance. Is your allegiance to the party? Is your allegiance individual? So as DP, for us, our solution is that is look at the law. Because even if he doesn't, the law is favoring him not to do that. So look at at the law, look at the amendment of Administration of Parliament Act, and look at the rules of procedure for Parliament. For